Yeah, in the Lincoln Town Car, ready to go to. I'm gonna go to Kentucky Fried Chicken. Well, let me check out my repair on my windshield washer. Oh yeah, look at that water. Oh yeah, looks like a flood. Oh hell yes. Okay, we got that underway. All right. Okay. All right, let's give her a try. Okay, parking brake, release. Here, there we go. See, when you put them in drive, it automatically releases, but not in. What the hell am I driving over there? I'm driving over something. Whatever it is, it's not important, or I wouldn't have it laying out there like that. You know? Here we go. There's the house. Okay, careful, careful, Earl, careful. Maybe I can see what I ran over. Oh, I know what it is. It's a undercoating black spray paint can that's been laying out there that I've been meaning to pick it up and throw it away. It's in the way. Okay, you got to be careful because you see everybody and their brother and their cousin and maybe even their mama, if she's still living, park out in the damn street. Whew. See, that when they built these houses, you know, in the late 50s and early 60s, time changed a lot of things, you know? Situations, and, you know, there used to be the father, the daddy, there was one car, you know, and he would walk around outside with a leather belt without a shirt and hit the kids. Not anymore. Well, anymore, a neighbor saw that, they called the cops, their ass would go to jail. And it should be that way, man. It used to be so ridiculous. I'll tell you what, boy, these streets are not. Well, I didn't even show the outside of the car. Here's the inside of it, for what I can get. I got to pay attention to the road, man, because these people, you know, a lot of them, they're trying to cause wrecks on purpose. You know, because they want to collect on insurance or whatever. Woo, boy, that sun is shining right in my face. Damn. Hell, I'm not getting in any fucking hurry. No way, man. Let her record. I see all these cars right here. Everybody and their, well, how did I say that about people that park in street? Their brother, their cousin, and their mama. They're parked. Gosh damn, man. Okay, let's try it now. You notice I said try. I don't take anything for granted. Okay, we're clear on this side. Wow, how about that? It's a miracle. Woo. All right. Okay, I'm going to hold the camera to the side because there's too much damn sunlight hitting right at the windshield. You know, it probably wouldn't record a feasible picture. God, that sun. Shit. Well, I'll tell you what. You know, the last time this Lincoln was out, it was when my video I made where I drove out on a Sunday morning to go to the tobacco store in Pasadena. That was the last time this car was out. But we be very careful. You gotta watch these people. There we go. And you gotta watch them in here, because see, some radical idiot, they'll pull out of here or out of here and go crazy on you. Okay, now. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, Metro left over there. I thought that might have been a cop. Gosh, damn, look at these potholes. Let me see if I'm getting that in the camera. That is horrible. That's horrible. Gosh, damn. Okay, here's the Kentucky Fried Chicken turn-in. It's so hard to tell. Let me back up some, but make sure somebody's not pulled up behind me. Okay. Man, those potholes are terrible. Okay, let's see. 8-piece chicken dinner. Well, hell, where is it? Okay, we'll pull up here to the speaker. There we go.
How's it go? See, how can I help you?
Yes, good evening. The 8-piece original recipe dinner.
I'm sorry, just give me a second, I'll be out with you.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, the 8-piece original dinner.
Okay, what's two side orders?
Mashed potatoes and coleslaw.
Mashed potatoes and coleslaw. Do you like to add any drinks with that?
No, ma'am. In the original recipe, please.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Please come to the window.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So you should always be courteous, people, because they're that much less likely to poison your food if you say yes, sir, and no, ma'am. You know? Work in your best interest, people. Okay, let's set this down. Okay, there, they can show the roof or whatever. You know, because that might make them paranoid, you know? Oh, man. Here, that's better right there. Okay. And I've got my credit card out.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
$32.68. Any ketchup, hot sauce?
No, ma'am. Okay. All right.
Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, wow, look at all that chicken, y'all. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, let's see now. Okay, put it in dry. Okay, this is a shot of the freeway. Sounds like my power steering is low. Uh-oh. Well, let's don't forget about these damn potholes out here. Man, that's bad. Okay, avoid that one. Okay. There's a lot of fast food places around here, lots of these places. There's Fiesta across the street and Chase Bank over here. And a lot of cars right here. Wow. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Now we're away from the sun now, so this might be a little bit better. All right. Well, it's a beautiful evening. It's just the right temperature out. It's about 58 degrees right now. Today it got up to like 82. Okay. Yeah, my power steering's got a leak in it, or it's low. It's gonna have a leak because, you know, I keep these things checked, and there's no way I would allow it to get, you know, low. If any of my vehicles, if, you know, boy, this is hard to steer. Here we go, here we go. That power steering is loud. Shit. Okay. Okay. There we go. That door's heavy. You gotta watch for it springing back like that. It can hit you. But let me check this out. You see, a power steering leak can catch your engine on fire. You gotta beware of that. So you can hear that power steering. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's great for a good video. Didn't think we'd have a power steering